Hi, just a quick video today. Just want to remind you that Bration has now started. So Stampin' Up have their regular annual catalogue that is still current until June this year. In addition, on the 3rd of January, they launched Bration, and to accompany Bration, they also introduced the new mini catalogue, which runs from January to June. There are lots of beautiful new suites and sets in here. This is the Valentine's suite with all sorts of things on. I love the catalogues because they give you ideas of how to use the product. I mean, look at this Parisian suite, absolutely beautiful. The colours, and they're telling us the colours now. So the predominant colours in here: cherry cobbler, petal pink, pool party, and everything that comes with it. But you know, it's about a 70-something page catalogue. But the main reason that I want to pop on today is, obviously, while Bration is on, which runs from the 3rd of January to the 31st of March, for any item that you choose from any of these two catalogues, you get to choose one of the free items in here when you spend over £45. There are a couple where you've got to spend 90, like this die set, but in the main, predominantly, for every £45 you spend, not including postage and packing, from either of the two catalogues, you get to choose one of these free items. You know, there's designer series paper sets, there's thread and embellishment sets, there's stamp sets, there's a kit which has been very popular, a card kit, there's designer series, you know, more designer series paper, stamps, there's all sorts in here. It's beautiful. And a stamp set that you'll have seen me using a lot is this set. If you host a party, be it, you know, get a group of friends together and combine your order, or if you put an order in total that totals more than £275, you can earn this stamp set, and it's brilliant. I've used it loads. You'll see videos on my channel. But in addition, there's a great joining offer on, and there is every year during Bration. I joined a year ago, so I joined in Bration January 2019, and I can't actually believe I've been a demonstrator for just over 12 months now. And I'd like to obviously take this opportunity to thank all the people that do shop with me monthly. I really do appreciate it. It doesn't earn me enough to make it a full-time business like a lot of other demos, but you know, it earns me some commission, and I can then in turn carry on buying product and carry on making videos. So if you join during Bration, you can choose £130 worth of product from any of these catalogues, and it's product of your choice. We don't tell you what you have to have. You can have anything. You will pay just £99. You'll get free postage and packing. In addition, you will also get 48 sheets of double-sided designer series paper, and all these papers are predominantly taken from the new suites that are in this mini catalogue and one of the items from the Bration catalogue, and these are all double-sided. And this is our normal quality, you know, double-sided designer series paper. You've got papers from the Poppy suite, which is absolutely beautiful. You've got papers from the new set that has the toucans and the koala bears. This I think is tropical chic. This is the golf kit. And the quality of our paper is beautiful. It's not thin at all. It's like a very lightweight card. This is lovely. I've got the full set of this. I think is it Dress to Impress or something like that? I can't remember. But it's all beautiful coloured flowers on some of them. And then in the other ones, you've got like handbags and lipsticks and that kind of thing. This one is one of the Bration items, and this is all like, it's kind of is it Monet that did paintings like this? I can't remember, but I mean, you know, just look at these. So you'll get that completely free, the mini guillotine, which is brilliant to keep on your desk, so handy, it's quite weighty, and a stamp set of your choice from any catalogue. So it really is a good time to join and become a discount shopper. Just save 20% on all future orders. If you don't want to join, remember that for every £45 you spend in any of the catalogues, you get to choose a free item from here.